गुड मॉर्निंग क्लास थर्ड। अगेन वेलकम टू टक्स पेंट। हमने पुरानी वीडियो में देखा कि टक्स पेंट किस टाइप की एप्लीकेशन है, उसके क्या एडवांटेजेस है, क्या न्यू फीचर्स हैं। अब वी विल सी हाउ वी कैन यूज़ दिस एप्लीकेशन। ओके, द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज़ वी आर हैविंग पैटर्न ब्रश शेप्स. What are these brush? These brush helps us to draw beautiful pattern using brush tool. We will see now on Tux Paint what are these brushes. Okay, now we can see the screen after opening the application. These are the tools and these are sub tools. Ab I have selected paint brush here. In blue color we can see because I have selected this paint option, paint brush. जैसे ही मैंने पेंट ब्रश को सेलेक्ट किया, वी विल फाइंड दीज सब ऑप्शन ऑफ पेंट ब्रश. दीज आर द साइजेस वी कैन यूज़ फॉर पेंट ब्रश. ठीक है, अब हम देखेंगे कि ये पेंट ब्रश हम कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं टू ड्रॉ. आई हैव ओपन टक्स पेंट ऑन माई सिस्टम. वट आई सी दिस पेज. बट मुझे नया पेज खोलना है, नया एक फाइल फॉर्म करना है. तो जस्ट सी ऑप्शन हियर, new option. We can see a new option here we can see new option. Just click on this option. I have clicked on it. I want a white background, so just select this white background. Okay, now you can see option open option. Just click on this open. I have find a new page. Okay, now this paint brush tool, this is a paint brush tool. This is the paint brush tool. I will find these sub options. Okay, I am going to select this size. Okay, now I can draw anything here with the help of this. Okay, now I am going to select this small sizer brush, this brush of small size. Okay, I have selected this. Now draw with the help of a thin line we are getting. So these are the sizes of the brush. Using these sizes, suppose I am going to select this one. Okay, see what will be happening. Size has been changed. These are different sizes of the brush we can use. Now the next option is haze brush shape. This is a sub option of brush tool only. But what is this haze brush? Haze brush is a unique sub tool that has a hazy appearance. Means जो चीज़ें हमें दूर से दिखाई देती हैं. Suppose some hills are there. अगर कोई hills हम देख रहे हैं तो हमें क्या दिखाई देंगी? Blurred दिखाई देंगी. तो those things अगर हम show करना चाहते हैं तो we show those things with the help of haze brush. We will see those things in lighter color like hills, trees. So we want to show them in lighter color, so we will use haze brush. For that thing also we are going to select this paint tool. हमने paint tool select किया. अब paint tool में we can see these options. These are blurred option or the option in lighter color. These are not the very black color. Okay, so we can select these options. I have selected this option to draw hills. So we can see the hazy appearance. Hills we cannot see properly. These are the hazy appearance. Okay. In haze brush tool also we have many sizes available. Now I am going to select this bigger one. Okay. We can show. Okay. The size of the brush has been changed now. So in simple brush as well as in haze brush we are having many size options. We can select the size according to our requirement. Now the next is stamp tool. Okay, now what is stamp tool? It is very interesting tool. In this tool we will be finding many ready-made images as stamps. अगर हम स्टैम्प पे क्लिक करेंगे तो वी विल फाइंडिंग इन सब टूल्स मैनी ऑप्शंस, मैनी रेडीमेड इमेजेस. दीज इमेजेस आर इनबिल्ट स्टैम्प्स. ओके, पर अगर हमें कुछ स्टैम्प्स बाहर से चाहिए तो वी विल बी हैविंग वन लिंक इन आवर बुक. यू ऑल मस्ट बी हैविंग योर कंप्यूटर बुक विद यू. you can see there is a link in stamp tool. Just download those stamps in your system. You will finding many more options as stamp. Okay, now we will see how to use those stamp tools in our Tux Paint. So we have to follow 3 steps. Number 1, click on stamp tool. In this tool option we will find stamp tool. Just click on stamp tool. उसके बाद in sub tools we will see many images. Just click on those images. After click on those image, just come to the canvas. Click करोगे canvas पर तो stamp will be placed there. Now we will see how. In tools we can see this option, stamp option. Okay, click on the stamp option. In sub tools we can see many stamps here. There is 2 arrows, right or left arrow. After clicking on right or left arrow we can see many more stamps. Okay, we have to just select one stamp. Just click on the canvas. Okay, in this way we can make many images, make many pictures, or use many inbuilt images from these stamps. Like, again I am going to select one more. We can change the size of these stamps using this slope bar. We can see this slope bar. This will help us. Suppose we want to use this stamp again, so I can use, see, now the size is smaller because I have changed the size of that stamp using this slope bar. Okay, I can also increase the size. See, I have increased the size of the stamp. In this way we can change the size of the stamp. We can use many type of stamps to make many pictures, to make beautiful sceneries. Now the next is eraser tool. वैसे eraser tool we have used in our MS Paint also. So you all must be aware of this tool, eraser tool. In tools only we will find this eraser tool. Suppose we want to erase this image, just select this eraser tool. Okay, and we can easily erase these lines from my canvas. Okay, now the next is our edges tool, edges effect. How we will use this edges effect in our drawing. This is also a unique feature. Using this tool we can differentiate the edges from an already drawn image. This is an already drawn image. हमें इसके edges, we have to see the edges of this image. So what we need to do, we have to use the edges effect in our image. To use those edges effect we have to go to this magic tool. Magic tool we can see, just select this magic tool. We will find many options here, many subtools here. We have to select this edges effect. We can see edges effect. We have to select this edges effect. हमने edges effect select किया, so I'm just using this edges effect on my canvas. See what this tool is doing, erasing the color and giving us the edges of the image. These are the edges of the image and color has been removed. This is called edges effect. Yes, class 3rd, I know you are finding this application very interesting, or seriously this application is very interesting. So do practice, make funny things using this application. Okay, use these effects what I have make you learn today, like stamp tool, paint brush, haze brush, edges effect. In next class we are going to learn drip magic, smudge effect, rainbow effect, many more effect we are going to learn. Till now, just practice these things at your home. For today, tata. Bye bye.